Oh, that's a window.
Come on, Cameron.
I'll do the season. Okay, oh yeah.
See, you've gone on pro. I was on a harder one than that.
I was on the hard one?
No, no, you're not. I went on the hardest one.
Get ready to own. How'd you go again?
The A button. And the left triggers the brake.
What's that one?
Yeah. I thought you said you leak, Cameron. You don't know the button.
The weapon.
The weapon is a motorbike.
It's my weapon. My weapon to win. What am I going slow? Oh, right, here we go.
Cameron, slow down on the turn.
Nah, I think
You just fell.
no, he knocked me off. Did he not see? He already knocked me. Really not? Oh, this crap.
You fell again.
But you've played this game before.
I haven't played it before.
Played it
I fell off about 600 times and still came in fifth. Come on, Cameron, you've got to get your head in the game.
I'm in it now. God.
Again, falling.
Have I ever done a lap yet?
I haven't even done it.
Get down.
You're going to do a wheel if you pull back, aren't you?
If I wanted to go down, I mean back down to at least I'm not last.
Yeah, you're second to last.
Better than me last.
Slow down, put the brake on.
Okay. Is that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Crap, get down. Get down.
Oh, damn it.
I'm supposed to fell off. Oh, I'm laughing.
No, about 10 times. Ah, you're last.
You want to go?
Come on, Cameron. Slow down. Press the X as well when you go around the corner. That's another brake.
Now you tell me.
Yeah?
You shit.
I figured it out myself, Cameron.
You see, that's as much better as I said.
I know.
Why don't you tell me?
Forgot.
Lion.
You're on the straight. You're going to fall back again in a minute. Probably. You're never going to beat this.
What you saying?
What? No, I mean overall.
Okay. What's looking up from up there?
Finish. Travis took his helmet off and it was
Oh, yeah. I'd laugh.
Go on, Cameron.
Laugh as well.
This fish is in front as well.
Oh no.
Go on, Cameron.
Oh yeah.
That's edgy, not
Yeah,
proper.
that's edgy. That's bad, man.
You're coming up to the straight, so if you hurry up, you can get second.
Well, I'm not doing a wheelie. If I didn't crash then, so Blanton would have got first.
Yeah.
As long as I don't come last, don't you?
You have to beat fifth, Cameron, at least.
I'm not going to do that, you know it. Ooh.
What?
Four.
You four?
Yeah.
Oh no! You beat me.
My name's Young Cheng.
Yeah.